If your scalp feels greasy by day 2, this is what I'd reach for. Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, certified trichologist and hairstylist for over 20 years. This system is designed to reduce oil at the root without throwing your scalp out of balance. It clears build-up, calms oil production, and keeps your hair fresher for longer. Start with the cleanse. It's extremely gentle and made without sulfates, so it removes oil and build-up without disrupting your scalp barrier. On wet hair, apply 2 pumps directly to the scalp, starting at the nape of the neck and working towards the hairline. Shampoo twice for optimal results and rinse thoroughly. Follow with a conditioner. It's lightweight and made to hydrate the hair without adding heaviness to the ends. Focus it mid-length to ends and rinse thoroughly. Finish with the Niacinamide serum. This is what helps regulate oil production at the source. Apply 1 to 2 pipettes throughout a clean, damp scalp. Dry hair is fine too. Focus on areas that produce more oil and massage it in with your fingertips. It absorbs fast and won't leave any residue. Niacinamide is a skincare staple for a reason. It helps control oil and calm inflammation. Applied to the scalp, it works the same way, rebalancing excess sebum to help extend time between washes and keep roots fresher for longer. That's it, your oil control routine in 3 simple steps. No build-up, no grease, just a fresher, more balanced scalp.